Watch how Supreme went from being a small skate shop to becoming a global brand valued at over $1 billion. They don't just sell clothes, they sell attitude, from their red logo to their limited drops that cause global queues. They made their mark on the industry by turning scarcity and irreverence into their weapons. Their unlikely collaborations, their ironic campaigns, their obsessed community. Supreme is first and foremost a cultural symbol, then a garment. It's not about dressing up, it's about belonging to a tribe. The conclusion, don't be for everyone, be for someone.